Hi kids, it's math time, and today we will be learning solving routine and non-routine problems involving any figure using square tiles. So let's start. But before that, let's have our past question of the day. Here's our question. What is the area of the square box that has a side of 6 centimeters? Is it A, 6 square centimeters, B, 12 square centimeters, C, 24 square centimeters, or D, 36 square centimeters? 1 minute starts now. Time's up. Let's check your answers. The correct answer is 36. Remember that the shape is square. That means all the sides are equal. So that means you need to multiply 6 times 6 and you will get 36. Now let's move on to our next activity. Our next activity is 3m's. So you will need to multiply the following equations. Here's the first one. 10 seconds for you to multiply. 6 times 7. 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Correct answer, 42. Next one. 5 times 9. 10 seconds starts now. Correct answer, 45. Next, 2 times 6. 10 seconds starts now. Time's up. Answer, 12. Next, 9 times 8. Correct answer, 72. And the last one, 7 times 10. Correct answer is 70. Well done. I can see that you have memorized your multiplication table. For those who were not able to get perfect, try to memorize more. Now, let's go with our lesson for today. Now, can you remember the steps in solving a word problem? What did Teacher Renz teach you? What are the steps? That's right. We are using the kite method. Okay, so what is K? The first one is letter K, which means know the given. You need to know what are given in the word problem. Next is to identify what is being asked so that you know what operation do or what operation will you use. Next is after you know the operation, think of a solution. Will you need to add first, subtract, or will you just multiply? And of course, explain your answer. How do you explain your answer? Simply by answering the question in the second step. So you just answer in a complete sentence. So for example, the question is, how many apples are there? There are 20 apples. And that is what you learn about the kite method. So let's have a problem. Here's the first one. Kim has a new sandbox. He has to line its bottom with plastic. The box of 2 is 2 meters long and it's 3 meters wide. What is the area of the plastic that Kim needs for his box? First, remember it's letter K. Let's identify the given. It says here that the box has 2 meters long and 3 meters wide. So you may write 2 meters and 3 meters. Now, let's identify what is being asked. What do we want to know in the problem? And it is, what is the area of the plastic that Kim needs for his box? So we want to know the area. And what is the operation when we want to know the area? That's right. It's multiplication. So, you know that you simply need to multiply 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 2, 4, 6. That is 6. And now you just need to answer the question. What is the area of the plastic that Kim needs for his box? Kim needs 6 square meters of plastic for his box. Or you can also say the area of the plastic that he needs is 6 square meters. Now, let's have another one. Fran designed a flag that measured 9 centimeters in length and 5 centimeters in width. Find the area of the flag. So for this time, I'll give you 5 minutes to do the kite and get the final answer. So here's our timer. 5 minutes starts now. Up, let's check your answers. Given 9 centimeters and 5 centimeters. What is the question? Find the area of the flug, or what is the area of the flug? Now, you know that the area's operation is multiplication. So just multiply 9 times 5. Then you will get an answer of 45. Now, what is the area of the flug? The area of the flug is 45 square centimeters. Now that you remember all of that, remember class, kite steps is just a guide for you to better understand the word problem. You still need to analyze and read the problem carefully. Also, class, always put this in mind. Not all the given is written in the symbol form of the number. Sometimes it's written in the word form. So again, you still need to analyze and read the problem. But the important thing in the kite is that if you know the question in the problem, you will know what is your final answer going to be. Okay, so for our activity, here's what you're going to do. So you need to create your own word problem about area. You need to create 3-word problems, not too long and not too short. Place it in a Word file and convert it to PDF afterwards. You may ask help for the converting of PDF. Again, it's all about area. So you may get ideas from the problems here in the video, but never copy the problems. You have to create your own. Make sure below each problem is showing the kite steps for your answer. Color it red. I'll show you an example later. And then submit it into the link for submission inside your 4th quarter course. Here's the example. For example, the problem a while ago, Kim has a new sandbox. It has to line its bottom with plastic. It's 2 meter. And then below, you will see the kite steps. It is in red color. 3 of this and you are done. Again, I hope that these steps will help you learn more about solving word problems. Again, this is Teacher Renz, and I will see you again